Today's video topic is the secret to living a longer life. Everyone wants to live a long and healthy life, but it can be challenging to know exactly what steps to take to increase our chances of longevity. Fortunately, there are simple steps we can take to live longer, healthier lives. By following these steps, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing chronic diseases that can shorten our lifespan. 1. Stay physically active. One of the most important steps we can take to live longer is to stay physically active. Exercise has been shown to reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Regular physical activity also helps maintain a healthy weight, which can further reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It is recommended that adults get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. This can include activities such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. 2. Avoid overeating. Overeating can lead to obesity and an increased risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. It is essential to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Portion control is also crucial. Eating slowly and mindfully can help us to recognize when we are full and avoid overeating. 3. Don't smoke. Smoking is one of the most significant risk factors for many chronic diseases, including heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory diseases. Quitting smoking can significantly reduce the risk of developing these diseases and increase life expectancy. 4. Moderate your alcohol intake. Moderate alcohol intake, which is up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men, has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. However, excessive alcohol intake can increase the risk of chronic diseases and should be avoided. 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is an essential part of living a long and healthy life. Lack of sleep can lead to a range of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It is recommended that adults aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Getting enough sleep can help to reduce stress levels and improve overall health and well-being. Establishing a regular sleep routine, avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bed, and creating a comfortable sleeping environment can all help to promote better sleep habits. 6. Avoid chronic stress and anxiety. Chronic stress and anxiety have been linked to a higher risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, depression, and anxiety disorders. So it is very important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or exercise. In conclusion, living a long and healthy life is possible by making some lifestyle changes. So start making these changes today, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier, and longer life.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.